This magnificent estate, enveloped by hills and woodlands, is tucked into the lovely hamlet of historic Far Hills in New Jersey. From the gated stone entrance and long winding drive through acres of sweeping lawns to the stunning formal gardens surrounding the residence, a private paradise awaits at Moggy Falls. On the outer reaches of the estate are forested hills broken by the pounding waterfall that gives Moggy Falls its name. Old-growth trees and ornamental plantings punctuate the wide swaths of land in the park-like grounds. The 14-acre property is breathtaking. The finely crafted 16,000 square foot mansion offers 6 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. A formal courtyard, crisscrossed by stone paver detailing, fronts the stone-faced residence. Like the beauty of nature outside, the interiors are an artist's palette of creative design and execution of style. Every room is a masterpiece of architectural surfaces. The barreled ceiling in the entrance hall, the garden room's exposed trusswork, the club room's impressive cherrywood coffered ceiling, oversized fireplace, and well-equipped cherrywood bar. Custom-fitted curio hutches with antique glass doors and cabinetry lead elegance to the dining room, while the wine room's honed stone and oak detailing has the old-world feel of a British social club. Illuminated by skylights, the beautiful kitchen makes a bold statement with its stunning 13-foot vaulted ceiling trussed with cherrywood. The adjoining 14-foot domed breakfast room casts views over the property thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows. Decorative columns give entry from the kitchen to the adjacent great room, whose dramatic cathedral ceiling is accented by raised panel millwork, stenciling, and clover accent window. The spectacular first-floor primary suite offers 12 vaulted ceilings, 2 massive walk-in closets, an exercise room with, and a new spa-like primary bath. Step back into time into the lower-level screening room with its 13 reclining stadium seats that make the viewing experience a pleasure. Running the length of the north face of the house are the magnificent formal English gardens. Many rooms, like the stone-floored garden room and shiplap paneled artist studio, have direct access to it. Poolside, enjoy the spa, fireplace, grilling station, and state-of-the-art pool house with yoga studio. In the gardens, gravel walkways and box hedges weave through brilliantly colored plantings. Sculptures, benches, and stone planters bursting with blooms are reminiscent of Europe's most beloved planned gardens.